Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. First we use black color. Kids, now we draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. And now we draw 3. The next one is 4. Now we draw 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we draw 14. The next one is 15. Kids, now we draw 16. Now we draw 17. The next one is 18. Now we draw 19. The last one is 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.